So I decided to look at regression lines, and I did have to watch a video through this because there was a lot in this. So on the TI screen here, instead of starting with the calculate to go to a scratch pad, you would need to go down to this green like table little box here. This is where you would be able to enter in any data. If you notice, mine pulls up 1.3 because I already have some stuff saved, but you would go to that table feature instead of going to the table feature like a TI-84. I liked going to the 1.1 is where I put my data. I did find it very odd on how you plot points. Wasn't a super big fan of this in the original video that we watched with like actually graphing functions. I really liked that in the TI Nspire. This did not like at all. Because you have to plot your X, you type in your X's, great. Type in your Y's, awesome. But then when you go to graph them, you have to go to 1.2. You open up a new screen and you have all of these, the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which correlates with these values over here. And you have to go to the menu, plot properties, and you have to manually add the X and the Y values. So it's menu, plot properties 5. And you have to click which one you're wanting. So I saved it as X. I want to use X. You have to do it again for the Y's. So menu, plot properties, 8 to add Y's. Here's your Y's. And then it plots it. Once it's plotted though, super cool stuff you can do with it. Actually plotting it, did not enjoy that feature. So once it's actually plotted, if you do menu, plot properties, not plot properties, I lied, analyze, down to number 4. There's a lot you can do here. You can run a regression from 6, and I was curious on all the regressions that they would have, and they do have all the main regressions that I would like to have. This was quadratic, so I went to quadratic for 4. It does show it to you. It shows you your quadratic regression here. You can also, which this is one of the main things I really, really like, analyze. You can do residuals in AP Pre-Calc. Residuals is a big deal. So I can go down to 7, and I can actually show the residual plot down below it so that you can see if this regression is the best fit or not. Super cool feature. Really enjoyed this. Plotting X and Y's, hated it. Really like this feature though.